was stuck in a loop of unhappiness and felt like I was just going through the motions. Then came a pivotal moment for me. In 2019, a phone call from Drive. They offered me a business analysis, showing me a mirror to my operations and strategy. Drive said things that resonated deep within me, things I needed to hear, but just had been ignoring. I decided to join the group, and what followed was nothing short of miraculous. I now own 3 thriving shops and just closed on the property last week on a 4th. Last year, we transformed into a multi-million-dollar company, and the forecast for this year looks even more promising. You see, I learned something invaluable. Success in business is not a solo endeavor. I could not have reached this point without Drive, who equipped me with the tools to fine-tune my business and
We all start off as technicians. And when you're a technician, you go into business for yourself, guess what? You're still a technician. And the executive of your business, you're up here, but there's a huge gulf between that technician who just started his own business and that executive where you're dreaming, where you want to be. So what's going to fill that gulf? Well, we found that with Drive. And it's been a great experience.
It was pretty nuts, because that very first year with Drive, I did over $400,000 in gross more than the year before. I was so So I was so afraid of that initial investment, and I just, from there on, I just never looked back, That same year, I was 11% net profit. Before that, we jumped up to 24% that year as well.